doesn't matter what age you are, you do want to look and feel younger. And today we will break down the ways how hyaluronic acid benefits your body. Well, the truth is that there is so much about hyaluronic acid that you probably don't know about and has so many health benefits that will blow your mind. Aside from the skin benefits of hyaluronic acid, did you know that hyaluronic acid eases joint pain? Okay, does it really have any effect on wound healing? Just sit back and relax. We will be discussing all these and more in this video. But before we get started, let's explore some facts about this compound. According to research, hyaluronic acid was first discovered in the vitreous humor of the eye in 1934. Since then, scientists have found it in other places in the body. Are you wondering why we still need hyaluronic acid supplements even though it is produced in the body? To answer this, several researches have shown that the natural hyaluronic acid content of the body declines with age, vanishing completely from the age of 60 onwards. Thankfully, there are many incredible products on the market which can boost your hyaluronic acid levels naturally, and I personally do use them, but more on that later. Now let's get started. Here are some of the reasons hyaluronic acid is creating a lot of buzz in the health industry. Number 1. Fasten the wound healing process. If your wound is taking time to heal, the best cure is to increase the concentration of hyaluronic acid in your body. A healthy level of hyaluronic acid in your body plays a crucial role in sound healing. According to one study, applying hyaluronic acid to an open wound can reduce wound size and the risk of infection, thanks to its antibacterial properties. Another intriguing study investigated the possible impact of using hyaluronic acid as an alternative solution to some surgeries. An eardrum tear was used as an example, which typically requires surgery to repair. However, in this study, scientists tried treating the eardrum with hyaluronic acid and discovered that most of the tears naturally repaired themselves without surgery in just a few weeks. Despite the fact that it is naturally present in our bodies, its concentration increases when there is damage that needs to be repaired. And if you're already in your 60s, which is the age when hyaluronic acid starts to decrease in the body, it's recommended that you start taking hyaluronic acid supplements. Number 2. Promotes healthy skin. Hyaluronic acid supplements can help provide immediate plumpness and radiance to your skin. This explains why it's frequently used in skin creams to maintain moisture and promote skin elasticity. Technically, half of your body's hyaluronic acid is found in your skin, where it binds with water to retain moisture. However, as you age, the amount of hyaluronic acid in your skin decreases due to factors such as sun damage, pollution, and tobacco smoke. And that's where the hyaluronic supplements come in. Consuming 120 to 240 milligrams of hyaluronic acid daily may reduce the effect of these factors by providing your body with extra amounts to incorporate into the skin and increase skin moisture. And if you are not sure what are the best hyaluronic acid supplements out there, don't worry, we have got you covered. To save you the stress of combing the internet in search of the right product, I found and personally use hyaluronic acid made by DoNotAge.org, which is a product that has been tested by many to be very effective in removing wrinkles and aging signs. The product comes with different sizes. You can test the smaller one, which contains 60 capsules, or you can always try the bigger one with 366 capsules. Most importantly, each capsule contains 200 milligrams of high molecular weight hyaluronic acid, which is a higher dosage than what you would get from a serum or lotion. Thanks to the purity and potency of each capsule, this product will most definitely bring the benefits that we are discussing about. On top of that, this product is very suitable for vegans. How cool is that? Use the discount code NEDUCATION to get your hyaluronic acid product. Link is in the description. But if you still feel not certain enough about it, let's move to another benefit of hyaluronic acid and why you should start using the supplement. Number 3. Relieving joint pain. When a person has osteoarthritis, which is a type of degenerative joint disease caused by wear and tear on the joints over time, the joints are less able to glide smoothly. The quality of the hyaluronic acid in the synovial fluid decreases, and inflammatory molecules become mixed into it. This can result in pain or swelling. A 2015 study looked at a group of 40 individuals who received 5 weekly injections of hyaluronic acid. At 6 months, 60% showed no worsening of cartilage damage, and 32.5% showed an improvement. Although hyaluronic acid is not a cure for osteoarthritis, it neither helps cartilage grow back nor improves the structure of the joints. However, it helps to reduce inflammation, lubricate the joints, and keeps the cells hydrated. Number 4. Prevention of bladder pain. According to recent research, Statistics show that 3 to 8 million women in the United States may have interstitial cystitis, or IC, which is a clinical syndrome characterized by daytime and nighttime urinary frequency, urgency, and pelvic pain. Another study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Urology and Nephrology was conducted with 20 patients aged 34 to 80 years, all suffering from IC, who weekly received bladder installations of hyaluronic acid for months. At the end of this period, their urinary frequency, use of analgesics, and pain levels were assessed. The results showed a mean decrease of 40% and 30% in nocturnal urinary frequency and pain level, respectively. A decrease in analgesic use was also recorded. Although the causes of interstitial cystitis are unknown, hyaluronic acid has been found to help relieve the pain and urinary frequency associated with this condition when inserted directly into the bladder through a catheter. If you enjoy how we break down the benefits of hyaluronic acid, why not consider subscribing to Natural Education for more valuable content about your health? Number 5. Relieving dry eye and discomfort. A dry eye is a condition in which a person's tears are insufficient to lubricate and nourish the eye. Tears are necessary to keep the front surface of the eye healthy and to provide clear vision. These tears lubricate the eyes, reduce the risk of infection, wash away foreign matter, and keep the surface of the eyes smooth and clear. Unfortunately, dry eye is common and often seen in people with chronic problems, especially in older folks. So what role does hyaluronic acid play here, you may ask? Well, it's a well-known fact that hyaluronic acid is effective at retaining moisture. Yep, that's why it is a potent remedy for relieving dry eyes and discomfort. By the way, eye drops that contain 0.2 to 0.4% hyaluronic acid have been shown to reduce eye dryness and improve eye health. So this is another reason why you should start taking supplements of hyaluronic acid. And number 6. Hyaluronic acid relieves the symptoms of acid reflux. Do you experience a burning sensation in your chest after you finish eating? What about the sensation of acid backing into your throat and mouth? Well, this can mean that your stomach acid has inflamed your esophagus and you might be suffering from GERD, known as gastroesophageal reflux disease. Don't fret, there is a solution for it. Hyaluronic acid is one of the remedies that has been proven to help to relieve the acid reflux symptoms of GERD. In a clinical trial published in the Journal of Alimentary Pharmacology, it was found that hyaluronic acid helped to soothe the damaged lining of the stomach and esophagus by limiting the contact of refluxed acid with the epithelial surface. And this is what helps to speed up the recovery process of patients suffering from acid reflux. Furthermore, hyaluronic acid stimulates the growth of healthy bacteria in the digestive tract and hence improves the health of the digestive system. These are just a couple of well-known benefits of hyaluronic acid. All this means that supplementing with high molecular weight hyaluronic acid is not only beneficial for your joint and skin health, but it does possess many other benefits. If you feel that this is something that you are looking for, I suggest using the promo code NEDUCATION for your next hyaluronic acid purchase from Do Not Age. But if you are also interested in finding out how you can stay young and reverse aging, why not check out this video on how taking NMN supplements can change your life, or this one on the benefits of resveratrol. Click one or both to learn about how to keep your youthful glow. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our new videos.